I'm nervous out of my mind right now.
If anything, just run the middle. You'll see the big old moisture in the middle of one. Just don't hit the tire into one like I just did.
My insides can't handle waiting this long.
Jeff Gordon just picked you. No pressure.
Thanks, man.
Kevin, 35. Nice, smooth laps on the middle bottom. You'll drive by everybody.
Yeah. Simple.
Simple. Just don't hit a tire and don't go near the top. You'll be good. Growing.
Green, green, green.
Equal, right rear. Outside, outside. You're 4 wide here. New leader. Go. Just do that the whole race. Yeah, lower into 3.
Yep.
Inside. You're clear low. You just slow up more in 3 and 4.
The yellow flag is
Yellow's
out.
out.
That'll work.
Good. God, that 39 looks good behind the pace car. Is it double file?
No, it's not.
Why is he starting outside?
Single file. Single file.
Get a good start here. Don't worry about what he's doing.
Green, green, green.
Wasn't terrible. Coming down low. You're good. They're running the middle.
Yellow
top
flag.
and 1 yellow's out.
Ah, dang it. I was hoping I wouldn't get the pace car.
I think you're too high or too low in 1. You need to get lower, or you're kind of in that dead zone right there because the marbles disappeared. Pace car's in. Let's get a good start here.
Green, green, green.
Oh, yeah, that's better.
Yep, there you go. You pulled in there. You get a little lower on exit. So I'll just make the bottom
Caution, yellow
1.
flag.
Kinda, I couldn't really, it was hard to say there. I mean, he hit it, but it was like, he might have gained half a car on you.
I can run like almost wide open up here.
Yeah, then just stay up there.
Green, green, green.
Ah. That didn't work.
He's at your left rear. Height down there. Still at your left rear. Equal, sliding you. Right front. You get a run on him here. Equal. Macito's just pounding it outside.
The yellow flag is out.
It's gonna give it to him. God damn it. What up?
Macito's just heroing it on the curb now.
It gave it to him because where the yellow came out. Ah.
fine here. Going.
Green, green, green.
Ain't gonna do it.
Gone to top dominant. Fine. The marbles look like they're trying to come back in on the bottom. You almost need to get up in 1. You're equal with him in 3 and 4.
I can't do it. When it bounces like that, I just can't.
That wasn't terrible. Slider coming at you. You have lap cars down here at the bottom. You're clear right front, right rear, I should say. Gonna get the run and drive back around you. Good there.
Good run, Bill. I can't bang the like that with these things.
You did really good.
I mean, you were only real. I mean, he started saving it. You went from running consistent 4s. You were running consistent 6s. Yeah, I mean, it just the middle bottom went away. Just nothing you could have done with how rough the top gets there.
What was he running up here?
Good job, guys.
4s. I mean, it's gonna sound weird. You almost need to get your right front in more.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh my God, it's rough. That's
That-
49.
Yeah.
I was more concerned with at least running second there than crashing to probably not catching. 51.
Yeah. He started.
Yeah, there's the fence.
There, like the top just gets so. Like top of 1, middle of 3 and 4 probably would have been really good there near the end.
Yeah, I look like a hero going 7th the lead in like a lap and a half.
A lap.
I know, that was
You were
good.
a lap and a half. You had the lead on the first lap.
Yeah, you went down the backstretch. Hardy said 4 wide. I'm like, oh, you're leading. Okay.
Yeah, everyone like went to the middle. Or
Dude, when
or
Kendall
so-
went in and slid across, I was like, yes, please, everybody get out of the way.